Show me that you make it spin. If I let you try again, boy, you gotta do it right, right, right. Come on over. Let's get together. Come on, turn the lights down. See, there's no rewind now. Let's cross the line. Show me yours, I'll show you mine. Do it right all night. Do it right all night. Do it right all night. All night, all night. Do it right all night. Do it right all night. Do it right all night. All night, all night. Do it right. Do it right. Do it right. All night, all night. Do it right. Do it right. Do it right. All night, all night. Do it right. All night. Do it right. All night. Do it right. All night. All night. All night. Do it right. All night. Do it right. All night. Do it right. All night. All night. All night. Do it right.
Why wait to say? At least I did it my way. Lie way too faced, but in my heart I understand. I made my move, and it was all about you. Now I feel so far removed. You are the one thing in my way. 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 At least I did it my way. Lie way too faced, but in my heart I understand. I made my move, and it was all about you. Now I feel so far removed. You are the one thing in my way. 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 One thing in my way. You are the 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 one thing in my way.
Once upon a younger year, when When all our shadows disappeared, the animals inside came out to play. Went face to face with all our fears, learned our lessons through the tears, made memories we knew would never fade. One day my father, he told me, son, don't let it slip away. He took me in his arms, I heard him say, when you get older, your wild heart will live for younger days. Think of me if ever you're afraid. He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child, these are the nights that never die. My father told me. Light a fire they can't put out, carve your name into those shining stars. He said go venture far beyond the shores, don't forsake this life of yours. I'll guide you home no matter where you are. One day my father, he told me, son, don't let it slip away. When I was just a kid I heard him say, when you get older your wild heart will live for younger days. Think of me if ever you're afraid. He said one day you'll leave this world behind, so live a life you will remember. My father told me when I was just a child, these are the nights that never die. My father told me. These are the nights that never die. My father told me.
When night has become the day, they're sending you far away, so, so far away. When everything starts to fade, you don't have to be afraid. No, you don't have to be afraid. Take my hand and when you wanna get off the ground, but gravity pulls you down. Gravity pulls you down. And when you feel out of place, you don't have to be afraid. No, you don't have to be afraid. Take my hand and this is free.
on your heart, heavy on your mind, wandering the streets tonight. If you're looking for a home, you are not alone. I can be your guiding light, 'cause I promise you I'm a dreamer too. Heavy on my heart, wandering the streets tonight.
When it all counts for something, and your pocket's full of nothing, let's get high on believe that I can promise you, yes, I am a dreamer too. We are dreamers together, always and forever. Let's get high on believe that I can promise you, yes, I am a dreamer too. I can promise you, yes, I am a dreamer too. Let's get high on believe that I can promise you, yes, I am a dreamer too.
Heavy on my feet, heavy on my knees, walking down a winding road. If you're looking for a home, you are not alone. I can be a stepping stone, 'cause I promise you I'm a dreamer too. Heavy on my feet, walking down a winding road.
When it all counts for something, and your pocket's full of nothing, let's get high on believe that I can promise you, yes, I am a dreamer too. We are dreamers together, always and forever. Let's get high on believe that I can promise you, yes, I am a dreamer too.
I feel like a lot of entrepreneurs have it. That fact that you truly just feel different. It's not to be disrespectful towards anyone else, but it honestly feels like you have more inside you than other people have. Like you have that weird gift, that weird potential that you could say, hey, I can do something better than that person can. I don't deserve and I shouldn't be working in that 9-to-5 jobs. I have so much inside that I want to get out. I just don't know how to get it out. And I remember sitting on my college campus bench and the bell rang and every kid was going from class to class, class to class. And there were thousands of kids going from all these different classes. And I sat there on the bench and I just watched them. I sat there and I watched every single student go from different building. And I just thought to myself, when do we learn anything different? If I'm learning the same thing as 15,000 other kids, that means I'm going to have the same result as 15,000 kids.
Makes sense.
And every single kid I know who graduated college complained about their job, wasn't happy with their salary, worked a 9-to-5, had to pay off debt. The only way to truly be successful in life is at some point for you to do something different, for you to stand outside the crowd, for you to say, hey, I don't give a what someone else thinks about me. I'm going to go ahead and do it just because I want to do it.
Yeah. Drinking dope, turn me to a superhero. Yeah. Hit that pill, turn me to a superhero. Yeah. Room at 90, turn me to a superhero. Yeah. Metro, if your Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you. I'm on that dope again, I'm on that flow again, switch up the flow again, yeah. Fly in the parachute, gripping that pole again, I'm on that all again, yeah. Can't get in the cup, gotta get paid, king in the streets, young mage, praying on the crowd, take it to the grave. Ain't having problems, I'm sipping the bar. Shout out to Dallas, my is a star. Get rich, better take it to war. Piss on your casket, shoot at your bra.
We're back, baby. We are back. Tuesday. Tesla Tuesday, baby. Taco Tuesday. Tequila Tuesday. Tesla Tuesday. Getting ourselves ready to rock and roll. Getting ourselves ready to go. I hope everyone is feeling fantastic today because today's one of those days that get your heart bumping. I feel like I'm about to have my first kiss. I feel like I'm about to go on my first date. Getting ready for Tesla at this moment. Getting ready to see what's going to be coming on up here on this day. I mean, it is going to be absolutely wild. Ladies and gentlemen, happy Tuesday to everyone. I hope everyone's excited. I hope everyone's motivated. I hope everyone's fired up for this day. We got a lot to be going on, so shout out to everyone that's joining us over on Tradecaster, Discord, TikTok, YouTube. If you guys are watching these platforms right now, make sure you guys smash that thumbs on up. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell. We always love working with every single one of you guys. So, let's talk about what we have here. Let's talk about what's going on. Let's make sure we break it on down as we always do to make sure every single trader has full guidance and clarity of what they want to be doing next. So, first things first is yes, guys, Tesla does have earnings tonight. If we take a look over on Tesla, we can see that Tesla has been getting dominated over the last few months, over the last year, I want to say. Tesla, we go back over into a weekly time frame, we can see that we have fallen from $414 to now $143. Tesla has been getting smoked. Tesla has been getting absolutely destroyed at this time. And seeing Tesla get weaker and weaker and weaker and fade and fade and fade and drop and drop and drop, this is awesome. So we're fading and dropping and getting weaker and weaker and weaker here. Now the big question is, can Tesla come out with good earnings tonight? What do you guys think? I have not seen any good earnings from Tesla. I have not seen a lot of good reports from Tesla. I are seeing that we're slashing sales on Tesla. Tesla is one of those plays that I am leaning towards tonight, looking for a swing trade on the put side. I am interested in going against Tesla and saying that Tesla is going to be coming out with some bad earnings. Because we could see Tuesday after close Tesla. Tomorrow, Wednesday after close, we do have Meta. And that's going to be another one that I'm focusing on. There's a couple different ways that you guys can trade today, okay? Number one way is for you guys to go hang up your computer right now, or not hang it up, turn it off, walk away, go for a hike, and then come back today at 3:30. Get ready for an entry, jump in, and try to make money overnight. Now, the pro about this is if you are correct with Tesla's way of moving, if that's to the upside or if that's to the downside, you will most likely make double, triple, quadruple your account. If you have a $10,000 account and you bet that it's going to go up tonight, and it does go up tonight, you're probably going to wake up tomorrow with anywhere between a $15,000 profit to maybe a $30,000 profit. If you have a $5,000 account tonight and you bet that it's going to go on up, you could turn $5,000 into anywhere between $5,000 to $15,000. But at the same time, if it goes against us, you can lose everything. If it goes against you, you can wipe out your entire account. So while you can win 2-3 times more than what you're investing, you can also lose everything. And that's what it makes it so dangerous. When you are doing swing trades and earnings, there is part of you that is gambling. Yes, there's no denying that. Yes, you could do prior research. Yes, you could look into the company's revenues. Yes, you could see what, again, Elon's looking forward to in their guidance and what's coming on up and things along those lines. But at this moment, traders, if you, again, just pull the trigger and say, I am holding overnight, guess what? There is part of you that is gambling. And I plan on getting in before earnings tonight. So let me just clear up the air right now. If someone's saying, oh, Dek, are you gambling? Yes. I'm jumping in before the earnings. I'm looking to make a big profit. I will be pulling some sort of gamble tonight. And the reason why is because there is a lot of money to be made. That's it. There's no way around it. I'm not going to sit here and sell you and be like, hey, oh, you got to do this indicator and this chart setup and this move and this thing. No, I'm literally pulling the trigger on a little bit of a gamble tonight because I want to make some big money. Simple as that. So take that how you want it, enjoy it, and you can be able to, again, enjoy the show now. Because Tesla, this is a play that I know is going to have a crazy amount of action. Same exact thing when you guys take a look over on Meta. Well, tomorrow, Dek, Meta, what could be going on here? Same exact thing. It's a gamble. It is a gamble. And I just want to make that clear because I don't want anyone thinking that there's 100% certainty in anything. When we jump in before a big earnings report, it could go either way. It really can. The only thing that we can do is look at prior news, prior outlook, see how the company's guidance is doing, see what the chart pattern looks like, start getting a better overview, and maybe how the company did last quarter. That's just the only thing that we want to think about. Other than that, it is a 100% gamble. Now, Dek, what do you plan on looking to do tonight? I look on investing about $10,000 tonight. I'm going to invest $10,000 at risk, which, yes, I could lose $10,000, but I'm looking to be able to make $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 overnight tonight. I want to get a nice big trade in. I want to make as much money as I possibly can. I want to be able to absolutely crush. That's what I want to do here. So the thing is, Tesla, we will be watching this and we will be aware of it. Same exact thing going for tomorrow. Tomorrow, guys, we will be looking for that big rip and run over on Meta. I think Meta is actually going to come out with good earnings, though, where we could see a monster spike and a monster move towards the upside. So Meta is going to be a crazy time where we could see a lot of hype and a lot of action. So it is going to be a crazy 48 hours. Crazy 48 hours ahead of us. We're going to be having a ton of hype, a ton of action, and a ton of activity across the board. Now, there is another play, of course, I do want you guys being aware of. And the other play here, let me again bring this on up here. Give me 1 second. We have Tslz. Now, Tslz is another potential way for you guys to trade Tesla tonight. Tesla, or Tslz, is going to be 2 times the inverse of Tesla. So let's say Tesla tonight falls 25%. Tslz will rise 50%. It is an inverse. Inverse means it'll do the opposite. So if Tesla falls tonight, it is going to spike tonight. If Tesla spikes tonight, this is going to fall tonight. Now on top of that, it's also 2 times inverse. So if you fall 50%, this play is going to fall 100%. If Tesla falls 10%, this play is going to fall 20%. So if you want to, you can get even more money out of this play. You can say to yourself, hey, Dek, I'm going to play Tslz option contracts on the call side. That means you are betting that Tesla is going to fall. And whatever Tesla falls, you are now going to make 2 times that on, again, Tslz. So let's say if you invest $10,000 tonight and your profit would have been $15,000. If you trade Tslz, you are now going to make $30,000 in profit. Now, this sounds amazing, but at the same time, you can also take that loss. So you can also lose your whole entire contracts. Maybe you are only going to lose $3,000, but now you're losing $6,000. So there is more money to lose on these plays. So I definitely need you guys to understand that there is a lot of crazy ways to trade tonight. There's a lot of crazy momentum going into tonight. There's a lot of crazy opportunities going into tonight. So I definitely want to be able to trade and see what's going to be happening. I want to be able to trade here, team, and see where a lot of this momentum is going to be going. So my game plan today is I want to make a few option trades, and then on top of that, get ready for tonight and get ready for a Tesla trade. So I will be probably looking to be able to make anywhere between $500 to $1,000 this morning. That's my goal. Make anywhere between $500 to $1,000 this morning. If I can make more than that, great. But then on top of that, guys, be able to still give me some wiggle room for tonight. Best case scenario. Let's say best case scenario. I win $2,000 today this morning, and then I make a $15,000 profit tonight. That's best case scenario. What would be a different scenario? Maybe I lose a little bit of money today, but then I make it all back tonight plus more. What could be a different situation? I lose a little bit of money, or I win a little bit of money today, and then I lose tonight, and maybe today gives me a little bit of cushion, right? So there's so many different outcomes that could happen about today, but obviously we want to go green and green. Win a little bit today, win a whole lot tonight. Tomorrow, win a little bit in the morning, win a whole lot in Meta earnings. That's basically my whole entire game plan. Going kind of smaller during the morning today to get ready for our action tonight. But traders, I mean, it's going to be crazy. That's all I could say. It's going to be crazy. It's going to be wild. I'm not going to lie to you. What we have here is we are getting a little gambly tonight. If you do not want to gamble, hey, you don't have to. That's the beauty of it. If you don't want to put yourself in on any of these positions, you don't have to. No one's forcing you. No one's sitting on your computer saying, put your money in on that. You could sit back, watch, and enjoy the show. But tonight, I'm here to make money. Tonight, I'm here to make profit. Tonight, I'm here to be able to do something that I want traders to be inspired by, motivated by. I want traders to be able to say to themselves, wow, I can't believe Dek crushed it. I want to get after it. That's what I want to do. I'm here to be able to make money, so I'm not just going to sit around day after day making, again, peasant money, $150, $200. I want to make some cash. So I am excited. I am motivated. I'm jacked up for tonight. 3:30, getting ready to go. Get ready for my entries, but I'm not getting ready on Tesla entries tonight at 9 o'clock or 9:30. I'm not getting in on Tesla entries at 10 o'clock. The reason why I'm not getting filled at 10 o'clock is you're just going to sit there and have time decay. I'm going to get filled probably at 3:45, maybe 4 o'clock, right on the dot. So I have the least amount of time decay getting ready to go for this afternoon. So I want to make sure that we are all set, ready to rock and roll on these plays. And obviously things are going to be exciting. Now, let's talk about what else we have going on with this day. This day at this moment, we do have the S&P 500. The S&P 500 right here at this moment, we are seeing that the SPY is getting a little bit of a spike on up. Now, we had 6 red days in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Today is a green day. We snapped the 6-day losing streak. Yesterday was a green day. Snapped the 6-day losing streak and is now starting to move itself on up. The big question is, what do you guys want to do out of today? What do you guys and how do you guys want to trade today? Do you guys think the best opportunity is to be able to see a dip buy or see this reversal back on down? For anyone who was not here yesterday, I did trade SMCI. Now, SMCI, where I got in yesterday, I'll show you guys exactly where, is I got in here. Let me go back to a smaller time frame. I got in on SMCI for a $700 breakout. That's what I was looking for. So you could see this line right here across the board represents $700. Now, I got in at the time of 10:45, which is going to be at this area, this little pop. I was in from this pop to this pop to this pop to, again, I got out right around here. Right around 12 o'clock, I got out. It did get a pop again and then crash on down. Then another pop, then crash. Then another pop, then crash. Then another pop, then crash. And then finally, it broke on out. Finally, it got that rip and run. Finally, it got that action here. So I did jump in at $700 yesterday, and I held for an entire hour looking for a spike, looking for a dump, looking for a move. Now SMCI, as we can see here, is all the way up towards around the 731 mark. We want to ask ourselves, is SMCI going to be able to take on off today? Can SMCI be able to get some action? And the reason why we're looking and talking about SMCI, for those who do not know, is because SMCI, guys, is the most volatile play in the stock market. It's the play that, if you guys take a look over the past, let's say 30-minute time frame, fell from $1,000 all the way down to $668. So yes, guys, this stock fell almost $400 in the matter of 3 days. Traders are definitely going to be extremely eager on this play, excited on this play. People are going to say, hey, this is going to dump another $100 or this is going to spike up another $100. We will see what the market does today. But the thing I want you guys to be aware of and understanding of is that SMCI is very volatile, which is why I like playing it. Now, let's go back over into like a 5-minute time frame and try to get a better understanding of what may happen here. I want to connect some dots, maybe connect some dots from yesterday into today and see if we can get anything that makes, a lot of sense. So we know that $700 is going to be a very nice support line, right? $700, very nice support line. Bounce play, bounce play, bounce play, bounce play, bounce play, bounce play. Then we connect the dots up here, bounce play, a starting off dip buy, which would be bounce, bounce, bounce. And then of course we take a look over here. Here's a bounce. We are having these higher lows. And these higher lows, guys, this would give us a great opportunity to be able to get a nice dip buy, probably back out around the 725 mark. SMCI does have an opportunity to be able to just fall right down to 725, maybe get a little bounce off of it, and then shoot back on up towards around, 750 or so. I would love to see SMCI spike right out of the gates. So I am looking to trade SMCI once again today. So I'm looking to trade SMCI in the morning, and I'm looking to trade Tesla this afternoon. That is going to be kind of like my game plan. Those are going to be my ideas. That is what I'm really looking at. SMCI at the morning, Tesla this afternoon. Tesla, I'm leaning a little bit more towards puts. SMCI, I'm thinking possible dip buy and bounce play could be happening today. SMCI back above 750. So that's what I'm looking at. We also know NVDA had a little bit of hype and momentum yesterday as well. See if this is going to be able to climb. Now, as for news today, team. News. CYN is the best press release that we have. PLAI does have a 3-star press release that says we have entered into a collaboration, which is good. So we do have some keywords: collaboration, partnership, significant, treatment, I really do like PLAI, especially it's only 7 million in float. So we have a 3-star press release, does have a good keywords and 7 million in float, but CYN is the highest up with 100% gain today. TPIA is only 1 cent, so you actually don't even need to worry about that. But it's really CYN and PLAI. These are the top 2 dogs that I'd be focusing on. So let's go ahead and take a look at these. Let's go with CYN first off. CYN, for anyone who did not see the news, it says that the news today has a partnership or joins John Deere supply base. So I'm guessing CYN is basically like these movers of boxes, movers of supplies right here. And they're adding that to be able to move, a lot of the John Deere products. So that's awesome, right? They're going to probably get hundreds of millions of dollars to be able to have their products in the John Deere base. Well, if you are a company that's only 12 cents and now you just made a partnership with John Deere, guess what? You're going from 10 cents shooting up to 28 cents. CYN back above 25 cents today can go crazy. CYN back above 25% today is a very crazy play that could get a lot of hype and be able to get a lot of momentum. I would definitely make sure that you are on top of that. Other than that, guys, let's see PLAI here. PLAI, this one is slowly getting some hype. You can see right here, 3-star word, up 33% gain, does have news. Now if you're saying like, what are these emojis? Again, these are just emojis that I picked. So whenever, again, I have keywords that I like, I can again put like a Band-Aid. I put treatment, I put a Band-Aid there. Little light bulb, significant, and then a partnership. You guys could see, handshakes. So it just allows me to know right away what these keywords are that I'm looking for. And you could see we have a collaboration. You could see we do have a partnership right here. Right, we have significance in its partnership. So this is a good press release. This is a very good keywords here with only 7 million in float. I would definitely say keep your eyes peeled over on PLAI to see if this thing is going to go crazy today. I would say the best bet for a spiker would be PLAI. Other than that, I would watch CYN to see if this is going to be able to hold up its gains and see if this could be able to go on a big time spike and rip and run. Okay, so today, game plan, SMCI. Other than that, Tesla tonight. Tesla putting $10,000 in tonight, and we are going to be going after it. Tomorrow, if we hit Tesla tonight, we're going to roll that money over and try to take it over into Meta. That is going to be the goal, guys. So we are looking for Meta tomorrow. We're looking for Tesla tonight. And other than that, we're just trying to make some quick good morning gains, of course, this morning. Sound good? Traders, we are about to go live over on tradecaster.com. So if you guys are watching over on YouTube right now and you guys want to join this party, come on over to Tradecaster. Look at all the live streamers we have going on with Tradecaster at this moment. You guys can watch and join and be able to enter all of these live streamers' lobbies, be able to watch them stream live. Make sure you guys come on over, check it out, have access to the video library. And of course, we are about to get this day started right over in my lobby over on Tradecaster. Join the chat, watch the live stream, all that good stuff. So, if you guys are joining us, I'll see you guys then. But everyone have a wonderful day, crush it, and I'll see you guys over on Tradecaster chat room. Good luck on Tesla tonight if you guys are doing your own thing, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow morning. But get over here at Tradecaster and let's